Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce difficult and confusing Ukrainian letter R. R. Okay, but before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below about it. So, поїхали! Let's get it started. So, I know that it is very difficult for the native speakers of English to pronounce the Ukrainian letter R because it sounds completely different rather in Ukrainian language. So, in this short, I hope it won't be very long, phonetical lesson, I'm going to explain you how to pronounce it, and we are going to practice by reading the words with this letter at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the words, and also we will read with you tongue twisters. So, Ukrainian letter R, how you pronounce it. So, guys, it is pronounced by vibrating the front part of the tongue, and it is very similar to the Italian or Spanish letter R. So if you are from these countries or if you speak these languages, then it will be easier for you. Maybe if you speak French, but I'm not sure. So you have to roar, and this is my tip number one. So just like a tiger, you can just repeat after it and just pronounce like rrrr. Please repeat after me again. Rrrr. So it will help you a lot. Let's do it one more time. Please don't hesitate, do it with me. Okay, so when I was a kid, it was tough for me to pronounce letter R, and many Ukrainian kids suffer. They pronounce letter L instead of letter R because it's tough for them. But when they listen a lot how adults pronounce this letter, when they listen a lot to different words with this letter, they just repeat many times and then they improve their phonetical skills and they sound better and better. That's what you should do. So first of all, it will be difficult, you won't be able to pronounce it, but then step by step you will improve it, believe me. So we had this trouble with my students a lot, and I had a lot of students, guys. For the last 6 years I had more than 130 students, so we just practiced reading a lot and it helped a lot, believe me. So when you roar rrr a lot, then you can practice to pronounce syllables with letter R. Syllable is a combination of a consonant plus vowel. So let's read syllables with letter R together. So it's ra, ru, re, ro, ri, ri. One more time. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, and r. Again, you can tell me, Ina, I don't understand the difference between E and U. But we have it, guys. E, like my name is Ina, E, and U, like me, we. E, U, ri, and ri. Can you hear the difference? Ri and r. And then when you master to pronounce the syllables, you can practice to pronounce them faster. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, re. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, re. You can just sing even. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, re. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, re. Ra, ru, re, ro, ri, re. Okay, and then let's practice to read words that start with the letter R. For example, рак, риба, рука, робота, розумний. One more time. Please repeat after me. Don't hesitate. We are practicing Ukrainian language together right now. Рак, риба, рука, робота, розумний. Okay. Now we are going to practice to pronounce letter R at in the middle of the words in different positions. For example, гриб, грати, огірок, сварити, говорити. One more time. Гриб, грати, огірок, сварити, говорити. Okay, and now let's learn Ukrainian words with the letter R at the end of it. For example, сир, мир, колір, вибір, бобер. One more time. Сир, мир, колір, вибір, бобер. Okay, good. Now let's read Ukrainian tongue twisters. It's interesting. Okay. Let's do it. Карл у Клари вкрав корали, а Клара у Карла вкрала кларнет. You see, even for me it's difficult. So let's do it one more time. Карл у Клари вкрав корали, а Клара у Карла вкрала кларнет. One more time. Карл у Клари вкрав корали, а Клара у Карла вкрала кларнет. Okay, one more time. Карл у Клари вкрав корали, а Клара у Карла вкрала кларнет. Okay, please practice it. Another one. На горі Арарат росте великий виноград. На горі Арарат росте великий виноград. На горі Арарат росте великий виноград. Another one. Прогавила. Here we have Ukrainian letter G. Pay attention. Прогавила ворона вороненька. Прогавила ворона вороненка. Прогавила ворона вороненка. Another one. Лара грала на лірі. Лара грала на лірі. Лара грала на лірі. Let's do the last one. Добрі бобри, бадьорі кобри. Добрі бобри, бадьорі кобри. Добрі бобри, бадьорі кобри. Добре. Okay, guys. It won't be a long video, just a short phonetical video lesson, and I see that I'm recording it for 10 minutes. Okay, now. Good. But I believe you enjoyed it, and after this video lesson you say, now I can pronounce Ukrainian letter R. Okay, guys, so please let me know in the comments below what other Ukrainian letters are challenging for you, and I will do the same video lesson for you. Please check out my website speaky.com, my school Speak Ukrainian, where you can get textbooks, flashcards, also other learning materials. There are free learning materials, free course, and I have a paid course. From absolute beginner to confident speaker, and you can sign up a trial lesson with a Ukrainian professional teacher just for $1. Please support me on Patreon, support me via PayPal. You can also subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language, and support my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. Thank you so much for supporting Ukraine. Thank you so much for supporting me personally. Thank you for support my people from Kherson who are there in the horrible occupation in Kherson. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Інна. Па-па. Bye-bye.